Too Wicked Fishing. So back out here at North Lakes again for like the, I don't know, 100 millionth, quadrillionth time. I don't know. So many times I've been out here. This water is it's quite a bit murky. It just finished raining last night. So I don't know, we'll have to see what they're doing. I've got a jig, crankbait, drop shot, and a swim jig tied on today. Tons of ducks over there. I think I'm gonna go over there, right over there. All right, well, as usual, I didn't turn the camera on, but here we go. Here's another one on a swim jig. I didn't even feel him hit it. It all of a sudden just got really heavy. It's a nice fish though. They're starting to get a little bit pale because of this water. So I'll drop them over here. Okay, so I moved shallower and I caught one. I don't know. Maybe I'm onto something. It's a possibility. I have to keep fishing this. But yeah, it was just like right here again, right next to the boat, and then all of a sudden my line just got really heavy. Again, I'm in a spot where I can usually catch fish on a swim jig. It's somewhat shallow, not too shallow. Here we go. Oh my God. I have not seen this fish yet. Oh, it's a toad. Oh my God. This is an absolute tank. Come here. Oh my God, look at this. What did I say? I wanted a 5-pounder today. yeah, I got a 6. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. On that Burke baits. Yes. Look, he got pinned and he was not going anywhere. Alright. I had a feeling I was going to catch a big one today. Okay. Got this on him. Keep this guy in the water. Oh my god. Whew. He hit it and I had to catch up with him. I thought it was a little guy. Oh my god. My heart is racing right now. Oh my god. See, I really don't know how to do this. Burke's Baits jig. Right there, baby. That's right. Right there. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, sorry, I know you're looking at my leg. Let's see. Okay. It says right here, this fish is 5.2 pounds. Add half a pound, so 510. Okay. I'm gonna get this dude back in the water. Alright, thank you. I'm gonna give you a kiss, actually. Oh my god. That's amazing. Thank you for letting me catch you. Go on. Oh my god. Yeah, baby, that. Oh my god. So, let me tell you why I'm throwing this jig in particular, alright? This one's called Carolina Craw. It's got some greenish blue flakes on the skirt, alright? It's got some browns, and it's got some green pumpkin with some like turquoise. I guess it's got turquoise in it. And then I've got a watermelon candy brush hog as a trailer, baby brush hog. And so the main forage species here at North Lakes are bluegill, and bluegill here get to be sometimes a pound if you're lucky. But this right here, this is perfect eating size bluegill. I mean, this is about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches, and that is a perfect forage for these bass. And so that is why I'm throwing this, because I know there's bluegill here. I know these bass feed heavily on these bluegill because that is their main forage. So far everything today has come on a swim jig. If you are interested in buying these swim jigs, I will leave. So it's kind of interesting. You have to go to his Instagram page. You have to follow him, and then you got to look all. He's got tons and tons and tons of jigs on his website or on his Instagram page, and so you go on there, and then you direct message him. You DM him what colors you want. All right, and then in his bio, he's got a link to his PayPal, and you pay him via PayPal. So you tell him what jig color you want, what style, all that good stuff, what weight. You tell him what you want, and you message him that. Oh, there's another one. That's a little guy. So you direct message him, and he's got a PayPal where you can. That's where you pay them. So each jig is. Oh my god! Look at this guy. Oh, poor dude. He didn't even know what hit him. All right. So yeah, you go to his PayPal. Each jig is. You order it individually. So you tell him how many jigs you want. What? Okay. let me get my thoughts together really quick. When you go onto his PayPal, you type in how many jigs you want. In the direct message, you tell him how many jigs you want in what color. Make sure he knows your name. Make sure you put down the address. And let him know that you paid for it when you do pay for it. So you tell him what jigs you want, go to his PayPal, pay for it, screenshot it, or somehow tell him that you ordered. Make sure you put the name that you did on the order. Do all that good stuff. And then, and then you just wait for the orders to come in. That's about it. So like I said, here, let me show you what he's got. See, I've got a whole box just labeled Burke Baits jigs because these are all of his jigs. Alright, so let's see. He's got football head jigs. I think the lightest size he has is 5/8 ounce. I think that's the lightest football jig he has. Maybe it's 3. I don't know. Pretty sure it's a 5/8 ounce, and that's what I have here. I've got a 5/8 ounce. It's a little bit more than ½ ounce. All right, and then he's got classic Arky head style jigs right here. See if my camera will zoom in. Focus. There you go. So Arky head style, and they all have the deep throat owner hooks. All right. And then, of course, he's got his swim jigs right here. All sorts of swim jigs. And then what he started out with, well, I don't know if he started out with, but this is what his company is really based upon, are these guys. These grass head jigs. Okay, focus. There we go. All right, there you go. It's got a flat bottom. Again, the lightest that they come in are 5/8 ounce. And they've got the owner deep throat hook. God, why won't this thing focus? There you go. So those are all the styles that he has. Like I said, well, the Arky style head jigs, the lightest that they come in are 3/8 ounce. The swim jigs, these swim jigs, the lightest they come in are 5/16, I believe. Yeah, 5/16 ounce, which is a little bit more than a 1/4 ounce. Another cool thing is you can actually customize your own jig. This one right here, this is green rock pumpkin with a little bit of red, and the colors on the heads are amazing. Some of them have these cool designs like this one right here, the silver. But so green rock pumpkin is just the head style with I guess more of a darker kind of green pumpkin, and it's got some black spots on it with some red streaks in there. So that one's a custom one that I made. But like I said, I will leave a link to his Instagram page down below. Go ahead, go down there, go ahead, follow him, and then you can order these amazing hooks. These amazing jigs which have amazing hooks on them. Oh my god. So yep, those are good old Burke Baits jigs. I don't know, I guess I found them about 6 months ago, something like that. And ever since then, I've been buying jigs from his company. I usually buy about three every other week. You do have to buy a minimum of 3 jigs to cover for the shipping. I wonder what time it is. Oh man, I got 3 minutes till I gotta go. Okay, well, I guess I'm ending the video here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hey, if you like those jigs, make sure you go check him out. The link to his Instagram page will be down below. Go there, follow him, order some jigs, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed with what you get. I mean, like I said, you can customize your own jig however you want it. It's a good jig company. How about this? If I can get 50 likes on this video, 50 likes, that's not a lot, but if I can get 50 likes, I will do a giveaway with these jigs. I will give away 5 jigs. Alright, so go smash that like button. 50 likes. Alright guys, I think y'all can do it. I don't know, maybe, hopefully, that'd be nice. If you want some free jigs, go ahead, 50 likes, and then go follow Burke Baits. Tell me that you followed him. Leave a comment saying that you followed him, and then this way I can put you into a drawing thing. Alright, so that's what you gotta do. Easy peasy, simple, and be giving away 5 of the jigs. Alright guys, I will catch you later. Peace out. Hope you have a great day or night, whatever time it is for you. Yeah, anyways, peace out guys, and stay fishing.